Hey guys, it's me Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing not one, but two Boxycharm premiums. Sorry. So anyway, just to let you know quickly that Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is based in the US. You can do three variations or three subscription levels. So they have the base box, they have the premium, which I have here, and then they have the Luxe. The Luxe is this month. It's a quarterly box. Premium is every month, and the base box is every month. The base box is $25 a month plus $5 to ship to Canada, all in American dollars. This box here is $35 with I think $5 to ship to Canada. In order to get the premium, you do have to have the base box, but once you have the premium, you can go ahead and cancel the base box. With that being said, you can't get the Luxe box at that point because you need to have an active base box. So anyway, I'm not sure if you can hear my little one was super tired and hasn't been feeling well. So she's in bed and you may hear her crying in the background. Her daddy is with her. So anyway, if you use my link below, I think I can update it to the newest free gift. This box, I'm not sure if it's actually sold out. It is the premium box, which usually does sell it pretty quick, but this month was Fenty, and a lot of people were really happy with having Fenty, a complete Fenty collaboration until they saw some of the spoilers and then they canceled. Don't really blame them. I got the fear of missing out, so of course I had two accounts and I signed them both up and they both went through to my surprise. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other box. I might put it on my local buy and sell and see if anybody's interested. Depending on the colors and the shade variations, I might keep some. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't actually looked in the box to see what I got, but some of the duplicates, again, I'll probably be selling or maybe even putting in a giveaway. I do have like 3 giveaways going on. I know one of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway I am doing has like 3 different ways you can win, as well as I believe I have another giveaway going on and I can't remember which video that is. It's been a very long week and weekend. So anyway, at the end of the video I'll try to link those in so you guys can see them. So let's go ahead and unbox the first box. So I'll unbox everything in this one, and then in the second one I'll just do the shade variations. I think there's 2 items that are only the variants. So you will get everything here. I have heard that a lot of people that have signed up and then decided that they didn't want this month, but they want next month's premium. So they put themselves on the wait list like right away. And they got through. So just be careful if you don't want this month, but you do like next month. Yeah, you should be okay now, but I'm not 100% sure. Also, if you're watching this video tonight, the add-ons are open right now. There isn't a whole lot, I will admit to that. I did pick up an under eye primer to see if that would help with some of the issues I'm having under my eyes, but we will see. So, okay, so it does have all the prices here. Doesn't really tell me what price everything, or it tells me the price but doesn't tell me the shade, so that's good. So this is, I believe, the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless long wear cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife. Actually, I have the lipstick and the lip liner, I believe, in Trophy Wife, and it's one of my favorite colors by, is it Fenty Beauty? No, Trophy Wife. It's Huda. That's who I have it from. I was like, wait a second. Oh, okay, this just fell out. Okay, so this is absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pull this off as what do you call it? A highlighter. That's, I think, the word I want. Let's see here. Nope, that brush will not do. Okay, so I'm just seeing if I can find a little highlighter brush, which of course I can't because, I mean, that would be way too easy if I could, right? Ooh, come on. My brushes are just too far away. I want to try this out, so let's see here. I have I believe I used highlighter. Yep, there it is. Okay, so I don't know what I just tossed. Oh. Okay, so let's try this. Wish me luck. Oh, that's gorgeous, but that is just, I don't know. I mean, it blends so well. I would probably use this like through here if I was younger, I mean. So, I don't know, maybe I'll give this one to my daughter and she can play around with it. It is a gorgeous color though. I don't know if you can necessarily see it on me. Okay, so that's not too bad. Let's put that over there. Okay, so then this is the Invisimatte blotting papers. Okay, so you actually have to, there, it should say on the back, some assembly required. Okay, so I really like the packaging on this. I will probably use that this summer because I have quite a few weddings that I have plans to go to, and I'm very oily. I sweat a lot. So these are okay for me. So the highlighter was $36. The Invisimatte blotting paper is $16. This is ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic refillable mirror compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lift shine away while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. Okay, so there's a mirror in it. Maybe that was on the outside of it. Okay, so, oh, okay, so there's the mirror there. Okay, that's neat. That's nice, actually, and it does look like a little lipstick case. The papers look kind of fancy. There they are. Okay. So I will definitely be trying that out. I might actually even keep both because, like I said, I do have quite a bit of what do you want to call it? Weddings to go to. Sorry, I'm trying to find all of the. I want to save the variants for last. Which, oh, I do have to get moving. So there's the lip gloss balm. Let's see. Here it is. Gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks, and shaved diamond milk, a dewy highlight for your lips. Fenty Beauty Glass Balm is essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. $20 is the value. Now these are all, sorry, $19. These are all American prices. I'm not gonna bother switch them over to Canadians because you can just go on Sephora and see for yourself. So let's see here. Oh, I like the way it feels. I really like that. I like the way it feels. I like the way that I can kind of taste some of it here. So I'll definitely be keeping that. Let's close that up. So that's $19. And then the one item that I really wanted was this Moroccan Spice. Oh, look at that. I opened it up without ripping it. Can you imagine that? Palette. So this was on Sephora for $29. So let's see here. It says here, the value is $29. Now I believe it was a little bit more on like when it was full price. So it's kind of interesting to see that it had gone down that much. Come on. So the outside is absolutely gorgeous. It's really, really nice. Okay, so let's see here if I can open it because apparently I'm having issues with that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I really like the case on this. It's sturdy. It's like made out of a plastic. These are some gorgeous colors. I'm really excited to try. Let's see. Oops, let's go this one. Those are sort of my colors, but I'm really wanting to try them. I heard that these darker shades can be very patchy, and I've heard some really good things and some really bad things. So this pink though, this let's see here. This pink here, I'm super excited to try that one as well as the turquoise, the dark green not so much, and there's like a bit of a fingerprint in that one. So yeah, like these colors are gorgeous. Like I said, I was looking to buy this anyway, so it's nice that I could try it out for a fraction of the price or get more items instead of, you know, just buying one item and that's it. So anyway, I will let you know how this wears. So those are the items that are in every single box. Oops, put that in there so I can give it a try when I get a chance. Okay, so that's valued at $29, and then so the next two items are a plush matte lipstick and a match shimmer stick. So we'll do the match shimmer stick, which I believe is this, yeah. Okay, so this magnetic makeup stick is in a long wear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. The long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, bendable, and loose to be layered. Included shade may vary. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. So the shade I got is actually Unicorn in this box. So I'm not sure I'm going to swatch that. I want to see what the other color is and then go from there and decide. That is very pretty. I do like the name. So now the next item is Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. It's all moods, all skin tones, all day, pocket perfection with a long wearing petals, soft matte finish, available in rainbow of weightless color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. Okay, so the color I got here is Griselda. And so somebody left me a tip saying that these would work at taking these out, and that does work. Because you know me, I always rip them, and I do want to keep this in case. It looks really, really brown. It kind of looks red. So again, I will see what the other one's like. I was really hoping to try the formula, but that's definitely not a shade that I can pull off. So anyway, okay, let's just go to the second box. I'm not sure what the value of this is. I believe that they posted online. It's like only $175. So again, the same items. You can see here. Oops, there it goes. Oop. Okay, that's what I didn't want to happen. So, okay. So the two colors I got are Candy Venom. And this one kind of looked like it was already open. So it's a bright, bright red, which I might be able to pull off more of than the other color. I'm not sure. I'm going to maybe look for a trade for one of these color. And then the other one I got is blonde, which probably will not suit me as well. So, figures. Alright, let's see here. So that is kind of gorgeous. I think I just... So that one I might be able to use a little bit more. Oh my gosh. I have got the Kilowatt highlighter all over my hand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm not sure what to do here. I'm gonna maybe just see if anybody else wants these because there's just no sense. I might keep the red because I could probably tone it down a little bit with the lip gloss and try it. Really kind of disappointed in both of the colors of these because they're not really colors that I can use. Where's this in here? But that's the way you goes with makeup boxes, right? So anyway, I'm going to keep three of the items out of the two of the boxes, maybe four of the items. The other blotting paper, I'm not 100% sure. I will definitely be putting some of the stuff up for sale. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget that I do have three I have some giveaways going on, and those videos should be popping up soon, as well as if you could like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos as well. I know I don't usually say that, but it does help. I also have a Look Fantastic that I will be posting as well, so keep an eye out for that. I just want to mention that I finally got a chance to try the Iconic palette, and I was a little disappointed in it at first. It was the shimmer shades seemed to be a little harder to work with, but I figured it was actually probably just me that didn't understand how it worked. So I played around with it a little bit. I'm really loving this look. It's very subtle, it's very nice, and absolutely beautiful colors as far as I'm concerned. So I gave that a try, and I really liked it. Again, I used the Bella Pear highlighter. I don't know why I keep going back to that one, but I do, as well as the e.l.f. matte lipstick. I really like this color with the Fenty, of course, on top. And I can't remember if I used anything like, you know, I think I used just my normal stuff. The I think I use the, oh yeah, Pretty Vulgar. I was using the Fenty concealer, and I really do like it, but it's a little too light for me, and I got that at a Topbox. So yes, anyway, again, the Iconic palette was the one that we got from Boxy last month in the base box. So yes, as well as I will be updating my videos again with Look Fantastic. Ipsy hasn't shipped yet, but I have Boxy coming this week, as well as what was the other one? Oh, the base box I got. It just shipped. My pop-up order is coming soon, and I can't remember what. Oh, Glossybox hasn't shipped yet, so hopefully I get that one soon. But anyway, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for my new videos.